At this point, you know how to get private pay clients through Google Ads, or at least you know you can get private pay clients through Google Ads. But what about Medicare and Medicaid clients? While I know a lot of you guys are looking for private pay clients, I also know a lot of you guys are also looking to get more Medicare and Medicaid clients, and you can do that through Google Ads too. While I talk about how to get these types of clients through Facebook ads, and I have a video on that, you can watch that after you watch this video, you can get Medicare and Medicaid clients through Google as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Medicare and Medicaid clients through Google Ads. I'm going to go through the exact strategy you need to do, you need to implement to get the most bang for your buck when it comes to getting these types of clients through Google Ads. Let's get right into it. Hello, my name is Aaron, your go-to home care marketer. Be sure to hit a like and subscribe since I am still a small YouTuber and every like and subscribe is seen, heard, beloved. And also comment below if you are currently accepting Medicare and Medicaid clients. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments below. Be happy to answer them, whether it comes to how to market yourself to get these types of clients or how to stand out. Be happy to answer them in the comments below. So here's what most agencies get wrong when it comes to advertising for Medicare and Medicaid clients. They use the same keywords, they use the same landing pages for private pay. And while yes, some Medicare and Medicaid clients might trickle in with that, we want to be more intentional when it comes to getting Medicare and Medicaid clients through Google Ads. That way we get the most bang for our buck. And also, this doesn't work because the searcher is actually looking for something different compared to private pay. With private pay, families are looking for immediate care, they know the care that they need, and they have money to pay out of pocket. With Medicare and Medicaid families, it doesn't really cost them, so what are they looking for? They're looking more for guidance on the process to get them on board and started if they're not already. They don't just need a caregiver, although they really do need a caregiver. They need someone to help navigate the complicated Medicare and Medicaid system. And this is where you can see yourself stand out, as if you can position yourself as that guide, you can get way more client compared to someone else who doesn't have it. So let me break down this exact strategy in 4 easy steps. So step 1 is to target the right keywords when it comes to Medicare and Medicaid. So the best thing you can do is create a separate campaign, separate from your private pay campaign if you already have one, that's specific for Medicare and Medicaid clients. You should target the right keywords, and all your keywords, or most of them, should have the words Medicare or Medicaid on it, depending on which ones you take. So here are some of the exact keywords you can use. You can use something like Medicaid home care services, your city, Medicaid home health care near me, Medicare approved home care agencies, Medicaid certified home care agencies, etc., etc. Home care covered by Medicare, you get the idea. They all contain the word home care and Medicare or Medicaid. Replace the word home care with caregiver, so you can use like Medicaid caregiver or Medicare caregiver. Possibilities are almost endless. You can use Google Keyword Planner to help you get some more ideas. So when you're creating the ads, you want to make sure all the ads include the words, Medicare or Medicaid home care services, and then you can use similar ad features and the similar ad structure I talk about in another one of my videos, which I'll have on the link in the screen right now, which talks about how to create the proper Google ad headlines. Just for this case, you want to make sure that they have the words Medicare and Medicaid included in at least half the headlines you choose. So watch that video after you watch this one, because now I'm going to go into step 2, and that's creating the landing pages with the perfect message match and how it's different than, your general home care agency website. So when someone searches for Medicare home care services, your landing page has to mention this. This is called message match, and that is one of the key factors when it comes to increased conversion rates when it comes to Google Ads. So overall, the landing page must include a headline that matches whatever the user searches. So if they search Medicare home care services, your headline should say something like Medicare approved home care services in your city, Chicago. You don't want to make them dig, you don't want to make them search for the answer. You want to give it to them immediately so that way they know they are in the right spot. Second thing you want to do is, of course, display the Medicare and Medicaid logos prominently on your website. This instantly builds recognizability, builds trust, credibility, and they know they're in the right place, and people will see and know and assume that you're certified and approved to accept their coverage and give them the service that they are looking for. You want to put it right under the headline or somewhere on the page where it's impossible to miss. People should be able to see the headline and these logos within the first 2 seconds of them landing on your page. Third, you want to use bullet points that help explain the process and explain your position more clearly. So something like, we accept Medicare Parts A and B for qualified home health services. We'll help you through the process. We'll handle the paperwork and insurance verification. And you can also say there's no upfront cost to you if you qualified for service. And then fourth, you want to position yourself as you will guide them through the process. This is is the key differentiator. You want to use language like will help you understand coverage options. Our team guides you through the application process. We'll verify your eligibility at no cost. We'll handle all the communications with Medicare and Medicaid. See what we're doing here? We're not just saying we accept Medicaid, partner with us. We're saying we accept Medicaid. We'll hold your hand through the process to ensure you get the care you deserve, the care that you need, the care that you qualify for. And the next step is for you to hit a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then after that, you can go on to step 3, and that is to emphasize that you guide them through every step of the process, step by step. So I mentioned this before, and I'm mentioning it again because this is so important. People searching for these types of services can get overwhelmed with not only what they're dealing with at home with the person who needs care, but also just dealing with the process of getting that person or themselves the care that they need under the Medicare or Medicaid program. They don't know if they qualify really. They don't know what they qualify for. They don't know what's covered. A lot of times they don't even know where to start the process. If you position yourself as the expert guide who can make this easy, guess what? You win. Here's the exact messaging you can use on your landing page. So you can have a section on your page that says, here's a step-by-step process. And then you can say step 1, free eligibility check. Call us or fill out the form and we'll see if you qualify for coverage. No cost, no obligation. Step 2, if you qualify, we're going to handle the paperwork and let you know what to do. So we'll guide you through the process, let you know the paperwork we need to handle, and then we'll help you submit all the necessary documents to the Medicare or Medicaid on your behalf. Step 3 is coverage verification. We verify the exact service you're covered under, so there's no surprises. You know what you're going to be getting. And then step 4, care begins. Once we approve, we'll match you with a qualified caregiver that can help you out with your needs, with however many hours you need, etc., etc. So this step-by-step breakdown removes all the mystery and fear, and it shows that you're not just going to provide the care for them, you're going to help manage their entire process, and you're going to help get them on board, and they're going to be staying and sticking with you for a long time. You also want to include testimonials of other people who are receiving Medicare or Medicaid services from you, and then these specific testimonials you want to put under that step-by-step process so you know that you've helped other people through the process as well. Step 4 is you need to make your call to action about getting help and that there's no real cost to them. So your CTA should be get care at no cost, get your free eligibility check, or call now for more information. So what this does is that it lowers the pressure from them signing on or from them working with you compared to if you said something like get a free Medicare assessment, get a free assessment, or something like that. That feels a little bit more invasive to people's minds. Getting an eligibility check, calling for information, that's a lot easier to do and swallow. Overall, they need information first, not a sales pitch. So let's talk about the budget and expectations you can expect from this type of campaign. So it's the same for private pay clients in terms of budgets and expectations. The more money you put in, the better. However, if everything is set up correctly, you can expect a little more bang for your buck when it comes to Medicare and Medicaid services compared to running private pay services, just because not many people are taking advantage of running Medicare and Medicaid ads. When it comes to Google, they're all trying to get private pay home care clients through Google ads. So I would budget at least $1,200 a month in Google ads for this. However, more spend does mean more calls faster. And of course, as you know, you're going to expect a longer sales cycles when it comes to Medicare and Medicaid clients. With private pay, some people need care, literally the next day. With Medicare and Medicaid, you have to make sure they're eligible, see if they qualify, submit their paperwork, see if they get approved. So the sales cycle is going to be a lot longer, but it will be worth it as you're easily able to get these types of clients. And then lastly, as you're doing this, you want to make sure you follow up with the client. So when someone fills out your form or they call asking about the service, sometimes you're not able to completely help them on the first call, the first go around. So that's why you need a solid follow-up process and a lead nurturing system, because you're helping these people get the information they need. And if you help them get the information they need, guess what? They're more likely to go with you. So most agencies simply just don't follow up, and that's why they lose the client and they burn their money when it comes to getting Medicare and Medicaid clients or private pay. So the families that convert are the ones that you truly help, the ones that you stick with, and the ones that you guide through the process. So Medicare and Medicaid clients are underutilized opportunity when it comes to Google ads. Even if people are advertising for this type of service, they're not doing it in the best way possible. Position yourself as a guide who makes the confusing process simple, and you'll get more of these type of clients. If you want help setting up this type of campaign for yourself, whether it be on Google and Facebook to get Medicare and Medicaid clients, I'm doing this currently for a couple clients and we're having really good success. Check the link in the description below. Fill out the form to see if you qualify for a free call with me. Even if you don't qualify, I have a ton of resources you can use, not only on this channel, but in the link in the description below of other ways you can possibly get, help from me. So if you want to learn about how to get Medicare and Medicaid clients through Facebook ads, I have a video on screen right now that's going to talk about that.